Bloomington High School North Cougars. Once again, the counseling department is enthusiastic to partner with you for another scheduling season. We are ready to support you as you creatively consider your academic plans and take action steps toward your goals. All 4 years, you are working to make progress to meet your graduation requirements while also preparing for your post-high school ideas and interests. Reviewing these requirements each year with an overlay of your personal plans will help you as you invent the direction of your schedule for next year. Let's review the elements required to graduate from high school. Just a few reminders about questions that we frequently get about credits. You will need 42 credits to graduate from high school, and if you are aiming for an honors diploma, you will need 47 credits. Each one-period class is worth 1 credit per semester. If the class is a year-long class, you will earn 2 total credits, 1 each semester. If the class is a multi-period class, such as many of our Hoosier Hills classes, you will earn more than 1 credit a semester. Check our course guide and your course sheet to see the credit totals for those classes. These credit totals on the course sheet will also help you determine if the class is taught 1 period or if you will need more space on your schedule to fit the class in. Regarding the grade that you need to earn a credit, a D- or better is required to earn a credit. You can retake a class for a higher grade. For example, in the event that you do not pass a required class, or if you earn a credit in a required class but you need a higher grade due to the honors diploma requirement of a C- or better. The diploma types for the state of Indiana are the Core 40, the Core 40 with academic honors, and the Core 40 with technical honors. These diploma requirements are listed in our course guide on our website, and there are copies in the office. We will take a look at the specific requirements by subject areas. The graduation pathway has 3 categories that you must complete in order to graduate. In each category, you must complete one of the listed options. 1. Earn a diploma. 2. Learn and demonstrate employability skills, which would include service-based, project-based, or work-based learning. And 3. Demonstrate and learn post-secondary readiness by completing a post-secondary readiness indicator. There are many ways that a student can earn a graduation pathway, and each student has a personalized plan. The options to complete an item in each category are highlighted on the MCCSC Graduation Pathway infographic. You can find this infographic on our scheduling website, in our course guide, and in the office. You will review and work toward your customized plan each year with your grade level counselor. Let's first review the specific requirements in each subject area for all diplomas. Then we will map out the requirements on a schedule by grade level. English, 8 credits are required. All 4 years of English are required. And remember, for a year-long class, you can get 2 credits a year, 1 per semester. Math, 6 credits are required. 2 credits must be in algebra, 2 in geometry, and 2 credits in Algebra 2. Science, 6 credits required. 2 credits must be in biology. 2 credits must be in either chemistry, physics, or integrated chemistry physics. And 2 additional credits must be earned in any other Core 40 science class. Social studies, 6 credits are required. 2 credits in either geography or world history, 2 credits in United States history, 1 credit in government, and 1 credit in econ. Physical education, 2 credits are required in PE, and health, 1 credit in health education. And finally, electives, 13 credits are required. 5 of those you need to direct toward your college and career interests. Electives are classes like World Language, Fine Arts, Practical Arts, Hoosier Hills Career Center courses, and there are even electives in all of the Core 40 subject areas that I just mentioned. Here is a look at the diploma requirement handout. This can be found on our website and in your course guide. Aiming for an honors diploma is a great goal, and many colleges suggest this academic pathway. For academic honors, students must complete all of the Core 40 requirements with a C- or better, have a total GPA of 3.0 and above, earn 47 total credits, and take 6 to 8 credits of world language. Remember, that is 3 years of the same language or 4 years of 2 different languages. Have 2 credits of fine arts before graduating, and complete one of the following: 2 AP classes and corresponding exams, or 6 dual high school college credits, or 1 AP class with exam and 3 dual credits, or earn a 1250 composite score on the SAT, but no less than a 560 on the math and a 590 on the evidence-based writing and reading section, or earn a 26 ACT composite with writing. You also have the option to pursue a technical honors diploma, either in addition to the academic honors or standalone technical honors. To accomplish a technical honors diploma, you will need to complete all Core 40 requirements with a C- or better, have a total GPA of 3.0 or above, earn 47 total credits, and complete at least 6 credits in a college career pathway. That could be transcripted dual credits in a pathway or an industry recognized certification, and complete one of the following: any of the 5 options for Core 40 with academic honors diploma, or earn the required scores or higher on the assessments WorkKeys, Compass, or AccuPlacer. Your transcript and our college and career exploration tool, Naviance, are instruments to use when keeping track of your credits and grades. Counselors review your transcript every year. During the college application process, you will hear the word transcript used a lot. A transcript is an official document that lists your classes, grades earned, credits earned by semester each year. It also lists your standardized test scores, for example, your college entrance exams or your iStep iLearn tests that you take in high school. Your transcript also lists your attendance. Every semester, your transcript is updated, which in turn updates your credit totals and your GPA. A GPA is your grade point average. All of your grades converted from letter to point value and then divided by the credits you've attempted. Once you have located your academic course history in respect to the larger graduation requirement story, you can begin to make decisions about the classes you need on your schedule for next year. We do need to spend a little bit of time going over the requirements for each grade level. Sophomores, you will have 3.5 of the 8 classes required. You will need to select English 10 and then pick your level, honors or Core 40. You will need to pick a math class, and you will need to select between algebra, geometry, algebra 2, advanced math. Pick your level, honors or Core 40, and in some cases AP. Remember that what math class you're in now, if you are doing well, that will indicate to you what class you take next year. Make sure to talk to your teachers. For science, you need to consider, most likely, chemistry, physics, or integrated chem physics. You will need to pick the science course and the level, honors or core 40. You will need a semester of health, and also geography or world history is required if one of those courses were not completed in your 9th grade year. And any of the following courses: world language, fine arts, career or college preparatory electives, and Hoosier Hills courses. They're recommended. Also, any requirement that you did not complete in your 9th grade year that you need should go on your schedule. If you will be a junior next year, 3 to 4 of the 8 classes are generally required. English 11 is required, so you will pick the level AP or core 40. Math, most likely you'll pick between Geometry, Algebra 2, Advanced Math, and you will need to pick the level honors or core 40, or in some cases AP. United States history is required, so you will pick the level AP or core 40. Science, you will pick the course and pick the level AP honors or core 40. Now please note, some students have taken science during their 12th grade year due to their other course needs, but we generally recommend taking science in your 11th grade year. And any of the courses below are recommended for the remainder of your scheduling space: world language, fine arts, career or college preparatory electives and Hoosier Hills courses, and any requirements not completed in your 9th and 10th grade years. And if you will be a senior next year, you are on track. If that's the case, 2 of the 8 classes are required. English 12, so you would pick a level, AP or core 40, and you will take social studies, government the first semester or second, and economics one of the semesters. You will need to pick the level, AP or core 40. Next, you will need to make sure that you have selected any other core 40 course requirement that you have not already completed in the 9th, the 10th, or the 11th grade year. This is a crucial time to check things over with your grade level counselor to make sure that you have everything you need on your schedule. We also highly recommend some additional courses which are also required by most colleges: advanced math, for example, pre-calculus and above. You will pick the course in the level, either AP or honors or core 40. We do recommend science, so you could pick the course in the level. And we also recommend electives like world language, fine arts, career or college preparatory, and Hoosier Hills courses. And remember, all of your core subject area have electives. What's delightful about North High School is the fact that we have exceptionally innovative teachers that provide many fun and unique learning experiences. We are proud of our classes, and we are excited to share some tidbits and a snapshot to help you make class decisions. Therefore, our department chairs have recorded videos for you to explore so that you can learn more about each department and the classes they offer. These short videos can be found on our scheduling website and watched at your leisure. Hoosier Hills offers many specialty courses to consider as well. A list, or what I like to call a menu of sorts, of all the classes that we offer to all grade levels are located on the course selection sheet for the specific grade level, and you can find the written descriptions about every class in our course guide. All of these resources and documents can be found on our scheduling webpage. There are many more opportunities to broaden your schedule as you become an upperclassman. Be sure to investigate our internship, community service, dual credit, and early college programs with your grade level counselor and your teachers. Please note that our internship and community service program does require an application and your own transportation. We do have several dual credit classes at North High School as well. If a course taught at North is dual credit, it is noted in the course guide, but be advised that this list grows and evolves every year. Finally, eligible students may attend classes at IU or Ivy Tech through the IU Open or the Ivy Tech Early College program. These opportunities need to be discussed with your grade level counselor, and they will share the process with you. We want your academic plan to have meaning and purpose in order to prepare you for your post-high school goals. For students wishing to pursue college, that means there are some extra details to keep in mind. Core 40 or academic technical honors diplomas are required for college, and many times the academic honors diploma is preferred. We recommend that you have at least 34 credits of a college preparatory class on your transcript. Many colleges specify certain courses that are required. For example, math through pre-calculus is either highly recommended or required at many four-year colleges, and at least 2 years of world languages are required or highly recommended as well. College admission counselors are looking for positive academic trends and the strength of the senior schedule for indicators of admission, along with GPA and test scores like the SAT or ACT. Please note that SAT and ACT scores must be sent to the colleges by the testing agency. Also of note is that GPA admission requirements are subject to change due to the cohort applying into a particular college in a given year. Colleges generally publish a profile to show GPA range. Naviance is a great tool for you to find college admission requirements and college profiles. You can use this tool and search every college by logging into Naviance using Clever and then using the college search feature. Make sure to do your research on the colleges or the programs that are on your short list for after high school. That way you can learn about their admission requirements and the recommendations before you finalize your schedule. So we have reviewed several details. Let's summarize and discuss next steps. We want you to have enough time to thoughtfully invent your schedule for next year and for you to do research on every class. For example, check the course descriptions for important information about each class, like a prerequisite requirement. Also, be mindful of the academic load you are signing up to take. It is a good idea to discuss your plans with your teachers, your grade level counselors, and your parents and guardians, but also, not to be forgotten, is to collaborate with your peers or other students who might have some experiences or insights that can help you. A reasonable balance is important as you pick the level of courses you wish to take. Then, after you've had planning time, schedule selections will need to be entered into Skyward. We will provide specific instructions and guided assistance to you in class as you complete this task in the following weeks. It is important to use the course selection sheet as your planning grid. You will need to fill out the scheduling sheet entirely and neatly, while also making sure that you pick alternative classes in the event that you do not get your first choice. You can find the course selection sheet on our website at the bottom of our scheduling video page. Your completed scheduling sheet will make it easier for you as you are entering your class numbers and your class titles into the Skyward class section the following week. There are several frequently asked questions that we receive every year, so we will go over a few before we wrap up. We are commonly asked if students can earn both an academic and a technical honors diploma, and the answer is yes. All students will complete the Core 40 requirements as a base, and then from there, each student can customize their plan. Also, We are often asked if you have to take an honors level class to earn the honors diploma. When a course is taught as honors or has the honors in the course title, that is actually indicating the pace and the rigor of the course, not the diploma type. In the videos that our department chairs made for you, they will explain the difference between the Core 40 level and the honors level courses. Honors in a course title does not indicate a requirement for the honors diploma. Therefore, you can take a Core 40 level class in order to meet an honors diploma requirement. In some cases, we have students who need to retake a class. If you need to retake a course for a higher grade, we do allow that. Many times we're asked what happens to your grade when you repeat a class. The answer is that both grades will appear on the transcript. The repeated grade has an R placed in front of it to show it was repeated, and the higher grade is figured in to the overall GPA. Mid-year graduation is a consideration for some students. If you are eligible to graduate early and you wish to do so, you will still need to build a full schedule into Skyward during the scheduling phase. After you build a full schedule, please work with your grade level counselor to indicate your mid-year graduation intentions and plans. At that point, counselors verify your credits and then manually set up your classes in Skyward to reflect first semester courses and mid-year completion. For students interested in the IU Open program, please select a full schedule, 8 classes each semester. Then, notify your counselor that you are interested in IU Open or Ivy Tech. IU Open and Ivy Tech enrollment typically start in the spring after spring break, so check the IU Open program's website. Once you submit enrollment verification to your counselor, we then will work with you to update your schedule. The next steps will occur over the next few weeks. We will help you enter your selections into Skyward in the next few weeks in class. Grade level counselors will also go through each schedule selection and review your academic and your course history to make sure that your schedules are correct. Naviance is a great tool to explore your interests before you choose classes. You can access the features in Naviance by logging in with Clever. You might also reach out to your counselor if you would like more information or help with this tool. Please understand that schedule changes are very limited after submitting your requests, except for a few reasons. Changes needed for timely graduation. For example, a student needs to retake a required course due to course failure. A mistake during the Skyward data entry, or a misplacement. In that case, perhaps a student is misplaced and doesn't have the required prereq. For instance, someone's in pre-calculus but they have not had Algebra 2. Thank you for taking the time to review all of the resources and information on the scheduling web page. There are many helpful documents and videos to help you as you continue to explore your options and design your plan. And remember, it's great to be a cougar.